Hello Ali, hello Katya. We will do decimal and fraction over here. This is fraction form. We will call it 1/10. Okay, you know this 1/10. So if we have to convert this into decimal form, what we have to do? We will remove this 10. Instead of 10, what I told you that you have to write on 0 point. And what is the numerator? 1. So we will write on the numerator 1 over here. Okay, after decimal, whatever is in the numerator, you have to write down 1. For example, here 2/10, that is 2 on 2/10. So here what we have to do, we hide this 10, and again I told you, you have to write on 0 and decimal sign, 0 decimal sign. After that we have to write on numerator, so it will be 0.2. Here 3/10, first you have to write on 0 and decimal sign. Okay, this is called decimal sign. So this is fixed in everywhere. See here, 0.0 and decimal, 0 and decimal, and then we will write down whatever the number is on the numerator, we write down that. Very easy, my baby. See, 5/10, what we will do, we will not write down 10 when we have to represent it in decimal form. So what we have to do, we have to write down first 0.5, and then numerator is 5, so I have written 5. Here numerator is 4, so I have written after 0.4. So this point means this is decimal. 0 decimal 4, we will call it 0.4. 0 decimal 5, we will call it 0 decimal 5. So 5/10 is equal to 0.5. 6/10 is equal to 0.6. 7/10 is equal to 0.7. 8/10 is equal to, very simple, grandma. Yes, my baby. You have to write on 0 end point, and then we have to remove this. So what we will see, the numerator is 8, so we will write on 8. Here 9/10, what we I am hiding this 0. Instead of this 10, we have to write on 0.1, because we are representing this fraction form into decimal form. So 0. This is decimal means, and here numerator is 9, so write on 9. And 10 on 10 will be always 1, whether it is fraction form or in decimal form. But instead we will write on 1.0. That is much better. Okay, 10 on 10 is equal to 1.0, because we are showing you, we are talking about the decimal and fraction. Okay, so here again I repeat, 1/10 is equal to 0.1, 2/10, you tell me. Yes, 0.2, 3/10, 0.3, 4/10, 0.4, 5/10, 0.5, 6/10, oh grandma, it's very easy. Yes, 0.6, 7/10, 0.7, right? And 0.8/10 is equal to 0.8, 9/10 is equal to 0.9, 10/10. When we are writing in decimal form, we will write on 1.0. Okay, 1.0. See here. Now we will do some sums. It's very easy. Only I have used here units. That's it. Okay. So 110 kg is equal to, yes, 0.1 kg. The unit kg and centimeter will remain the same. Here 3/10 means 0.3. Yes, of course. Here I have not written in fraction. So what is 0.4? Of course, it will be 4/10. Right? 0.4 is equal to 4/10. 5/10 is equal to 0.5. Now 0.6 liter is equal to, oh, what we have to do? I told you that this number 0 and point, when we had to write on this in fraction, you have to write on 6 on 10th. This is 6/10. 7/10 is equal to 0.7. Okay, 0.5 I have written 0 because there is 10 here, and we are discussing about the decimal. So in decimal, if there is 10 is written over here, instead of 10 we remove this 10 from the fraction, and we will write down in decimal 0 point, and then whatever is in the numerator we write down that value. So here 7 is there, so I have written 0.7. Now this kg is equal to 0.8 kg. Now guess what it will be. It will be the fraction. Yes, it will be, first write on numerator, this is 8, you write on 8. And instead of 0.1, you have to write on 10. Write down like this, 9, numerator is 9, write down 9. What I told you, after decimal there will be always numerator. So here write down 9, and then make this sign, and then 9/10. Yes. One whole, that is common in both this. And 10/10, I told you 10/10 will be always 1. Okay. God bless you. All the best. Isn't it very easy? 3/10 is equal to 0.3. Here after decimal, always whatever is in the numerator, you have to write down that. It is that much simple. Okay, write on 0 point. If it is 7, write on 7. If it is 8, write on 0 decimal 8, 0 decimal 9. Okay, I am saying 0 point, 0 decimal I can also say. So it is 0.9, that is decimal form of this fraction. So this is fraction form, this is decimal form, but both of them are exactly same. Okay, and just for example, Elizabeth as well as Ellie, both are one and the same girl. They are not different. We are saying Katya, Katya. Katya will remain the Katya only, right? It will not change. Like that, this number will never change. 3 on 10 is equal to 0.3 only. God bless you. All the best. Honey, I think this is good for you. You enjoy and good luck. Love you. Bless you.